welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping in. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here, guys. Sorry, I have like a hair stuck to my lip. And of course it wouldn't be a Southern mom video if there wasn't something. So it's still there. I think I got it. Okay, so I apologize, but yes, even with my quirkiness, if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And guys, as always, if you do enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up. So we have a brand new subscription, as you could see from the title, and that is the Fur Mom box. What is this, you ask? I'm gonna tell you. So if you're one of my OGs, you know that I don't normally wear my glasses in my video, so it's a little different for me, but you may see them in a couple. All right, so I will put a link for Fur Mom box down below if you would like to check them out, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it and then show you what's in this box. This is the December 2019 box, but it is a customized subscription for small breed dog moms. What? So, you know, we have Otis, our English Bulldog, but we do have Oscar, our Dachshund. So he's small breed. You're going to get 5 to 7 carefully curated items based on your preferences. And now this was sent to me for review, so thank you so very much for Mom Box. I'm sure that Oscar and I both will be very happy. But I did fill out a profile as if, you know, a regular customer, and it is a pretty extensive profile. I mean, they ask you all kinds of different questions about things that you like, that your dog likes, you know, your dog's birthday, breed, coloring, size, male, female, all of that, which I think is great. Now, your first box will ship within 5 days of your order. It does renew monthly on the same day that you purchase. So if you purchase this on, say, the 5th, it's going to renew every month on the 5th. If you purchase your first box on the 15th, it's going to renew on the 15th of every month. So just keep that in mind. And they do say it is best for dogs under 25 pounds. Now, they do also have some breed-specific boxes. So they have a Chihuahua box and a Pomeranian box. It says there are 12 different categories to fill your box: bath and body, jewelry, candles, home decor, tea, and more. And it is $37.99 a month. You can get lower pricing per month if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months, as is with most subscriptions. But like I said, I'll put a link down below so you guys can check that out. And let's see what Oscar and I got. So, oh, it's taped up good. Okay. All right. We have some tissue paper. We have a card. Thank you for choosing Fur Mom Box. We hope you and your fur baby enjoy your custom box. All right, so we have a thank you. And then very December looking. So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Makes every pet kissable. Smoochers. It's a size medium, but it's like a little... Y'all, I cannot wait. Are you serious? If I can get Oscar to be still, I will insert a picture of him wearing this. I love this so much. All right. It's the little things. And then it looks like we have a little candy cane looking toy. I'm not going to squeak it or he will be right here. But he got a new toy. Let's see. And for Mom, not dog. And this is some dark chocolate covered almonds. I love chocolate almonds. Let's see. This would be for me, for Mama. I love it. So I can put a picture of him and Otis. Love that. That is super cute. And this is from Primitives by Kathy. I could see it here. I love her stuff. Is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. All right. They include little baggies for walks. Like that touch. The Lazy Dog Cookie Company, American made. Natural treats. This is Home for the Holidays maple glazed ham. Wheat, corn, and soy free. They're soft baked. Him and Otis will both love these. That is awesome. Wholesome ingredients: rolled oats, honey, palm oil, whey, rice flour, maple, natural pork, and smoke flavor. Yum. All right. Well, not yum for me. Yum for them. And then, oh, I love it. Is this what I think it is? Let me open it. It is. It's salt and pepper shakers. And if you guys saw my, where I showed like our house with Christmas decorations, you saw that I do have a thing for seasonal salt and pepper shakers. So I will definitely find a place. We have a little set here. Oh, so cute. I love this. So they're definitely like on theme with the holidays, and I did put home decor and stuff like that. So we already have the picture frame, some snacks for me, some snacks for Oscar and Otis, a toy for Oscar. Oh, I'm loving it. And it looks like, let's see, one more thing right here wrapped up. Oh, I have to get my scissors. They wrap this up good. They wrapped it up really good. Oh, they just won my heart. First of all, I don't even need to open it. I can already smell. But it is a mason jar candle. Y'all know I love candles and I love mason jars. And the combo, apple maple bourbon. And y'all, when I took that off, I got a whiff. And I can already tell you, I know it's looking great. Y'all, oh my gosh. That is just fall and winter and the holidays. That smells so good. I seriously won't smell a vision. Organic soy and coconut wax. It's infused with essential oils and eco-friendly fragrance oils. And y'all, it even has like, that's so cute, like the little bow. I love that so much and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. All right, so we have this adorable little mason jar candle that smells fantastic. I cannot wait to light this. I'm so excited. We have the Home for the Holidays maple glazed ham flavored all natural treats. That is amazing. Again, we have this for when we go for walks. My treat were some chocolate covered almonds and a little candy cane dog bone toy. We have the snowman salt and pepper shakers, super cute. The Fur Mama little picture holder, love it. And then this, I'm just so excited, like I cannot wait. Like I said, if I can get him to be still with it on, I will insert a picture somewhere in the video. So I think this was a really good box. Like, they definitely hit my profile to a T. Oscar got a toy, treats, which he'll have to share with Otis. The cute little red and green Jingle Bell collar. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. And like I said, I will put a link if you would like to sign up for Fur Mama. If you've got a fur baby and you want to spoil them and yourself, look no further. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.